Hey guys, and welcome back. So, I just wanted to let you in on a little do not do this move. So, number one, I'm still waiting to get tiered up, as you guys probably saw in my last video, but I made the biggest mistake that you could probably make in the merch arena, aside from getting my account banned. So, the other day I was looking at my sales, my all time, and I was like 584, and I was like, what's weird is like I haven't seen any of that money come in, so I wonder if it's correct. Well, when I went to the bank account section, I realized that in the past, I had started this account probably 4 years ago, did it for like 2 months, was spending way too long on designs that I was hand drawing. I'm sure you guys have heard of them, like Everyday I'm Brustlin' or Cold Chillin'. They were quite funny because they were so bad. I was such an amateur. But I realized that after I had created the account, I let someone borrow it because they're artists. They wanted to find another way to make money, the whole starving artist thing. So I gave them the credentials to my account, let them use it. They were using it for like a year. Well, when I got my account back because they stopped using it and I started doing all this, the biggest mistake I made was not changing the bank account back. So all of the proceeds that I have made has gone to that person, which I'm more than happy to share stuff like that with him. He is a good friend of mine now, but absolutely check your bank account. I think since I've switched my bank account back, I've had two sales. I think it goes by month, so at least I'll have $91. If the month ends on the 30th, then that would be great. But overall, just make sure you have all your credentials in correctly, because if you're not checking like on top of it, then you might miss something big like that. Or even if you type them in wrong, they can accept it and you won't be getting paid. So double check your bank accounts, guys. It's not worth not getting paid, especially if you're doing all the work to create the designs. So again, thank you guys so much for watching Mary J's Hauls. Comment below if you would like to see more videos and what you would like to see. I'm always happy to do them, and I have amazing resources at my disposal. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.